Alright, so in this video we discuss about how you can register for a Salesforce certification exam, right? So I'll go ahead and simply type in Web Assessor Salesforce on my URL tab, and the first link that opens that says webassessor.com Salesforce is what I want to redirect myself to. So this is the platform that allows you to get online and on-site registrations for certifications, and you can just create a new WebAssessor login here, or you can just sign in when if you have an ID. The first thing that you can do is you can just go on the top panel and you can just say edit profile, and you can add all your relevant details. So if you are associated with a company that provides you vouchers, in that case you have to specify all those details so that your voucher can be counted against the company. And if you are someone who's giving the examination on your own, which I mean from your own pocket, you can just set this fields based on whatever values that you want to provide. You need the login email IDs, a first name, last name, the email address where you would get your certification logo and the certification credential certificate, your phone number, your address, and so on and so forth, right? Once you have all these details filled and you click on save, you can just go ahead and register for an exam. So to register for an exam, there are two modes. You can either go to a site or a center that conducts examinations near you, or you can also give the examinations from your home if you have a laptop that has a good microphone and a good video camera, right? So this opens up the section wherein you can register for any and every examination. Let's say I want to start off with by giving the Salesforce administrator. I'll have to just go ahead and choose my certified administrator, and this is where you see that there are two options. Either you can go for the online proctored, which is nothing but sitting at your home giving it on your desktop or your laptop, and the second one is on-site proctored, which is nothing but going to a particular educational training center or a test taking center and giving your examination there. This shows you that this is the total price or fees for the certification, which would be your cost, and tax is separate. And if you notice, I have already taken the certification and I already hold it, so I don't get the register button here. But let's say for example I don't have the advanced admin. If I go ahead and I see that I have the register button here, so let's say I want to give the online proctored exam for advanced administrator, I'll just click on register. And when I do that, the next screen that opens up is about what my time zone is and what would be my date and time that I want to choose. So first of all, I'll just go ahead and choose my time zone. Let's say I'm in Chicago, America, and I can just choose a date that suits me. Ideally, you should take about 2 to 4 weeks for your preparation. You can start with the trailhead badges, trailhead modules. You can go with some private trainings, and you can just study on your own, and you can try to solve some mock questions and some flashcards, and then you can go ahead and give your examination, right? So this, if you notice that I have some options available, and as soon as I select a date, it shows me the time slots that are available, right? So I can choose something in the morning because I'll probably be fresh at that time and I will hopefully clear the certification. So yeah, we can just choose something here, or if you are a night owl, you can just go ahead and choose something right at the end of the timing slot. And once you do that, you can just read this instruction that talks about how you can reschedule your examinations, what kind of deadlines are there, if you reschedule it before 72 hours or after 72 hours, within 24 hours, and all of those. So you can just take a look at all this rescheduling and cancellation related FAQs, and then you can just acknowledge this checkbox and click on select. Now once you do that, this will take you to the payment gateway screen wherein you can use any kind of credit card or a card that lets you do a valid payment. Once that is done, you will have a assessment registered and scheduled for you for that particular date and time, right? So you'll have it here, and then you can just go ahead and check your assessments, and you'll have something in scheduled section. So if I open my assessments page, I don't have anything scheduled right now because I did not really select and register for anything yet, but you can see that something that will be scheduled will come up here, and you have some basic FAQs here, and this is moreover like understanding the code of conduct, retake policies, what kind of device, and are you eligible for online proctoring for the examination, how do you reschedule in case of a disability, how do you accommodate your examination, what does Salesforce or Web Assessor provide you. All of this FAQ is present here. You can just go through it once, and that's all. You should be fine with it. right? And if you notice, all the examinations that you complete will come down here, and based on your result you can just see all the results. So I completed my administrator somewhere. Where's my administrator certification? This right here, right? So this was an online proctored examination which I completed on 2026 June, probably before COVID, right? So yeah, that's about how you can register and how you can access this particular WebAssessor portal. All you need is a username and password, and WebAssessor Criterion is a Salesforce partner, and you can just go ahead and edit the profile, change your password, log in, log out, schedule your examinations, and pass all of them. Thank you.